Welcome back everyone to the Collector Channel. Today I'll be opening up this case of 2016 Babe Ruth Leaf packs. There's 20 boxes in this case, and then there's 20 packs per box and 5 cards per pack. So I obviously won't be opening up this entire thing in this video, but I'll be doing it over time in videos, and I'm super excited to find this still. It's getting more and more difficult to find, given that's from 2016 and it's an unopened case. And I got a super good deal on it, so I figured I may as well go ahead and pick it up. So there's 100 cards in this set. I'll definitely be putting together several sets with this case. Also there's Yankee Stadium seat cards that we can get that have like a little sliver of a Yankee Stadium seat on there, or Babe Ruth game used bat piece on there. So really cool cards to collect in this case. And we'll let's see here, do this here. So yeah, we're opening up the case, breaking the tape seal here. And interesting, this is my very first case I've ever purchased. So obviously purchased a ton of different boxes, but this is my first case. So I'm going to show everyone a different view here. And there's all of these sealed packs, or boxes I should say. So 20 total. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 on top, 10 on bottom. And here's the first box. So I'm going to pick out a few other boxes just to see if they're all the same. I believe they're all the same. Yep, so that box is the same as that one. I'll pull out one more box here from the other side. Yep, and it's the same. So all the boxes are the same. Let's get this plastic rack cut off here. There we go. Now we'll take a closer look at the box. So here we go. Looks like that's original Yankee Stadium seat card right there. It says on there an autograph Babe Ruth card, which would be super cool. And then that's the Boston bat. So it's game used Boston bat actually. So I wasn't exactly sure if it was Yankee used bat or Boston. And that would be the Boston Red Sox, I would imagine, and not the Boston Braves, which he played on in 1935 right before he retired. So let's get this open, everyone. First pack. There should be 5 cards per pack. These have the quotables on there. Hope everyone can get a nice clear view there. Ruth's biggest fans, his wife and 2 daughters. A young Ruth, and Red Sox 1919, so right before he went to the Yankees in 1920. And I won't give commentary on all the cards, even though I'd like to. I'm a huge Babe Ruth fan. I enjoy anything Babe Ruth cards, whether it's old from his playing days or if it's the brand new stuff. So career achievements, 12-time AL home run leader, that's cool. And I mentioned this in another video, I like how it says on the bottom kind of what's going on, and you know, the Babe and famous pitching pose. Obviously that one we can tell what's going on, but some of them it kind of gives us a detail of what the picture is about. And this was used for his 1921 exhibit Babe Ruth card. So these packs should be in really good condition. I mean, these packs, obviously the packs are about the cards too that are in the pack, since they're from a sealed case. So a lot of these you'll probably recognize from different cards or photos you've seen with Babe Ruth. So Ruth hauls in some pretty big fish there. Ruth did a bunch of fun things throughout his life, lived a very fast life and did a lot of things besides baseball, but baseball is big on his list. But as you can see with these cards, you know, he's into fishing, hunting, vacationing, a bunch of things, and a lot of traveling too for baseball. So that's Ruth and family prior to a 1926 series game. That's a barnstorming tour of Japan, so that must have been him in Japan, taking a big swing, hitting out a home run maybe. And check this out. So Ruth had a lifetime 2.19 ERA for Boston. That is amazing. So partly why he's the best player ever in my opinion. He was an awesome hitter and a great pitcher. This pack feels a little thick, but I could be wrong. And it looks like I'm wrong. So you have 5 cards per pack, 20 packs per box again, everyone. Another card said career RBIs, 2,213. And Babe Ruth, if I can remember correctly, was very close to getting 3,000 hits, but just a little bit short. So Ruth is preparing for a basketball game. That's interesting. So yeah, he did basketball, baseball, obviously, boxing. I've seen some cards with him with boxing. So I'll have to do a little research on this, and maybe all of you know the printing plate cards. I've seen some of those for sale. Did those come in packs, or was that a part of the company maybe selling them off? Alright, let's see. Babe Ruth reading some fan mail. Interesting look at the background too. It shows his locker and some of the other lockers, most likely for Yankees players. And there's Babe Ruth with his boxing gloves on. 7-time World Series champion. And there's Babe Ruth with Jack Dempsey. It's a neat card. So Ruth posing with politicians pregame. That's Babe Ruth at Fenway Park. And then quotables, never let the fear of striking out get in your way, Babe Ruth. And Ruth playing football. So Babe Ruth in 1948. I'm down to the last few packs of this box. So I have 3 packs to go. This card was used for heading home, baseball cards in the early 20s. I'm down to 2 packs left. And here's the last pack from this box. Alright, that's it. So we opened up all the packs in the box. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you next time.